Here I've got Hammerblade, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down until you see Backup and Reset and obviously open it. And now tap on the first icon, which is Backup My Data. Here you can activate this automatically backup option. So tap on this switcher, and from now on your backup feature is activated. So as you can see here, when you turn on automatic backup, device and app data is periodically saved remotely. App data can be any data that an app has saved based on developer settings, including potentially sensitive data such as contacts, messages, and photos. So let's go back. And now let me personalize it. So we have to add the backup account here, and it can be yours if you're already logged with yours, and if not, then you have to create a new one. So just click on Add Account and log in with your Gmail address, or you can create a new one as well if you want to, but I will pick mine, and that actually would be all. So that's it. This is how you can save data on your device, how you can protect it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.